When her styling station came to me, it was in disrepair. Oh, but not to worry because the Sparkle Goddess is here. So we're gonna take this lovely bling sheet and get it on here. It'll be fabulous once we're done. First up, measure twice, cut once. Next, we are going to use this lovely glue, super tight. It is found on becreateful.com. Thanks to the lovely Annette for this stuff. It comes out a bit fast, so if you give me a minute, I'll put you on high speed and we're gonna glue this puppy up. And we are all done now. No more disrepair. Nothing but beautiful, sparkly goodness. Courtesy of the Sparkle Goddess.